Hey guys, Kevin Cage back with another cryptocurrency video. Quick update with Ripple XRP, and this is just going to be a quick look at XRP's growth for all of you haters. Anybody that just says that XRP is the worst performing coin, you seem to have forgotten every other year before that. You've seemed to have forgotten the 2017 bull run. I would tend to agree if you got in at 2018 or 2019, but the upside is massive. We are here. And we are going into the trillions in terms of market capitalization, and I can assure you of that. Now again, guys, if you want XRP news, on a daily basis and just a different point of view, be sure to hit that like button, helps the channel grow, and subscribe if you haven't already. But let's get into this info. Really quick, shared by one of my favorite personalities, Mr. B XRP at XRP Mister. You have to love a guy with a track record of success who is calling for big things for XRP. And he's referring to Yoshitaka Kitao of Japan, and he is the CEO of SBI Global. This graphic was made by Status again, thank you. And he said, I know there's speculation that he said it would be $10 instantly. I'm not sure if that was faked or not, but he did say this. He said, when we launch SBI's VC, the virtual currency exchange, it will be #1 in the blink of an eye. Now, I do not believe that there's been any confirmation that it's happening this month, but that is what the last piece of news says, or said at least a few months back, that this SBI VC launch date was going to be pushed until July of 2019. So I've been hearing crickets, and I'm excited to see what's happening next. And again, #1 exchange, 60 plus banks, foreign exchange markets, and 20 of the top banks in the world using XRP in 2019. It's going to start slow, and then boom. Right here, this was shared by Peter Pumpkin Eater at Yes I'll Have Some on Twitter, so thank you, sir. And this is just showing basically the death cross and the golden cross and showing the price action afterwards. It is a technical analysis indicator. We have the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average. So the death cross is the point on the chart where long-term moving averages, like the price at least, crosses a bearish indicator, and typically, the death cross is reinforced by high trading volume and usually indicates that, the price or the market overall has become bearish, and a lot of TAs see this as the time to sell if you're a day trader, a swing trader, you name it. In terms of the golden cross, a lot of people get excited about that because we tend to see a lot of price action on the upside in the future. Maybe not, within minutes or days or weeks, but eventually we will see a burst. So the golden cross, again, is another pattern when the shorter term moving average was below a longer term moving average, and it crosses above that moving average, and that is a bullish signal. All right, and what I want to emphasize is that TA, it can work, but it's still based off luck. Of course, there's algorithms and different patterns at play. A lot of artificial intelligence trading bots in these new markets are subject to manipulation. I mean, heck, even the gold market, the precious metals market, has been proven to have high manipulation with large groups and hedge funds. But I know people can, find patterns, and it's very possible they do, but I still think it's extremely difficult to pinpoint where you are in this pattern. And again, what starts the pattern from creating something new entirely? There's so much to look at, so much to consider, and there's a lot of luck as well. And for me, I'm more of a buy and hold kind of guy, kind of the Warren Buffett style. And it's a long game patience. I know I have some older viewers, maybe 60, 70, 80, that, want their money now. I can't tell you when that's going to happen. Is that going to happen in a few months? Perhaps. But I'm just telling you that my money is better in XRP than it is in fiat. So in terms of TA, some people love it. Some people say it's garbage. I do not have an opinion. I'm just trying to review everything and learn and share this. So if you look, though, we're seeing exponential growth. Digital asset space is still brand new. We are going into the tens of trillions of dollars, and we are just getting started. And that's why my money is in the most reliable and best and greatest digital asset of all time, XRP. So we got the death cross. Of course, we see a little bear run here. Can't really put my cursor up there. But each time you see a golden cross, you see at least some growth, whether, it's a significant burst or it's, like the 2017 burst, which was massive. And sometimes there's multiple bursts in a year. And a lot of people, like Mr. Level Up, a lot of people are speculating we're going to see 3 large bursts in, a short period of time coming up. And I'm expecting a bullish move very soon, guys. The energy of the XRP community is extremely low, and that's a great sign to me. Not to, sound like a bad person, but that's when I pay most attention, and that's why I'm probably going to be making more videos now more than ever. Because when this thing blows up, people are going to be looking, and I want to have that information out for everyday people, retail investors, to understand this, because this is huge. And everyday people will miss this boat unless they're informed. So really quick, I'm going to finish off with Crypto AK or Crypto Oak on YouTube. Great guy. I enjoy his videos and just kind of listening to his points of view. He retweeted Pompliano's tweet, and Pomp said, "The best Bitcoin investors are really good at doing nothing for long periods of time." And I just want to finish with that. Think about it. For all of you that have, only been in the market for 2 years, please calm down. This is an investment. How upset would you be if you sold all of it now and then all of a sudden it 10x'd overnight? I wouldn't want to think about it. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. Don't worry, mental health is important. So please, please, please only put what you're willing to set and forget. So with that, guys, I just wanted to cover that. Hopefully that was helpful. Feel free to check this out, shared by Peter Pumpkin Eater, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time.